Did you know that technology probably helped grow the food that you ate yesterday? My favorite application of drone technology is in agriculture. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, can make farming less labor-intensive and time-consuming. These flying machines help farmers and agribusinesses maintain their land more effectively and efficiently. The combination of drones with GPS technology has given rise to what is known as precision agriculture, which allows for more accurate soil sampling, pesticide application, crop field analysis, and of course, planting. At LINGO, we help you understand that technology is a language that you can learn and that you can use for all sorts of fun and exciting projects that apply to the real world. Imagine, someone had to understand the potential of drones and the needs of the agriculture industry to create this innovation. There's also someone out there that thought about the need to optimize the conditions that plants are grown in. They leveraged technology and created sensors and intelligently controlled environments to dramatically improve the health and productivity of agriculture. From hydroponic gardening to machine learning, technology is used to determine the best growing seasons and has forever changed the way that we grow plants. Different plant species need various amounts of light, water, and nutrients to support their natural health. So using technology is a way to reduce the amount of effort of farmers and increase the size of healthy crops. In this LINGO project, you will create a device that can monitor soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and light surrounding your plants to make your life easier.